This vehicle video demonstration is being brought to you by FrankMyersAuto.com, the automotive dealership where everybody rides. This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. This is a LT 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche here at FrankMyersAuto.com. Now we're in the interior of the 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. It's LT model again. You notice all electronic window, door lock, and side view mirror features here. Very convenient for the driver. You have also your automatic 2-wheel, 4-wheel drive switch here. You have a super safe steering wheel that includes controls for your radio and phone integration to include your cruise control. Notice the wood grain finish. You have a stereo with a great equalizer, air controls here, electronic stability control button here. Lots of space here in the interior cabin. You have room for 3 in the rear and a huge flatbed, covered flatbed that is. That's 3 in the back, 2 in the front. That's a total of 5 here inside of the 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. Brought to you by FrankMyersAuto.com. The Toyota Avalanche does have an error right here. We do have the piece that goes with it, but that has been thought about with the price of the vehicle. We will have that replaced, but we want to be transparent with you as much as possible. This truck is in excellent shape. And again, it's the Chevy Avalanche LT. Here at FrankMyersAuto.com, we showed you the interior and the exterior of the Chevy Avalanche. I wanted you to hear the engine for yourself. And remember, each of our vehicles has passed a 160-point vehicle maintenance and safety inspection. It comes with our ironclad money-back guarantee. And you can schedule your test drive of the 2007 Chevy Avalanche today by dialing 888-587-4430 here at FrankMyersAuto.com.